Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your KilgourMD subscription. If you have taken any subscription for KilgourMD, the treatment is scalp serum, so how you can cancel it. Okay, so basically the cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, and in the end of the email you need to mention like you can ask like proof of cancellation. Okay, and once your email is done, you can take help from ChatGPT also for better email writing. So once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like support@kilgourmd.com. okay, and once they receive your email, they will, you can like reply you, and in the email you need to also mention your full name, your order number. If you know your order number and your email, you need to mention each and everything, okay, by which they can verify your account. Okay, and once each and everything is done, they will provide you email like confirmation email. If you don't get any confirmation email from their side, it means your subscription is still active. You can check your spam folder also. In sometimes mails come from the brand is in the spam folder also. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.